Case closed in 42 minutes. That's the myth. Here's the reality. It can change how juries think, how lawyers argue, and even which cases go to trial. The CSI effect is the idea that crime shows teach me to expect high-tech forensic proof every time. DNA, fingerprints, perfect matches. Prosecutors say jurors now want lab results for everything, even when they're not needed or not possible. Defense attorneys say it cuts both ways. Some jurors overtrust lab evidence because TV makes it look infallible. So, myth or reality? Reality. But with nuance. Studies are mixed. Not every juror demands CSI-level proof, but expectations have shifted. I've talked to attorneys who now open by explaining what evidence you shouldn't expect, and why its absence isn't a plot hole. Let's separate what TV gets wrong. Turnaround time. Labs don't spit out DNA in hours. Backlogs can take weeks or months. Error-free science. Contamination. Lab mix-ups. Human judgment. Perfect matches. Even DNA has statistics. 1 in a billion isn't 0. And partial or degraded samples are messy. Magic databases. Searching fingerprints or faces returns candidates, not certainties. Humans still compare. And some forensics TV loves? They're shaky. Bite mark analysis has been discredited in many cases. Microscopic hair comparison led to wrongful convictions. The FBI admitted overstated testimony in older cases. Arson signs once thought definitive, like crazed glass, aren't. So what actually persuades a jury? A coherent story built from multiple independent pieces. Reliable witness testimony, strong timelines, digital records, motive, and when appropriate, validated lab work, with clear chain of custody. How are courts adapting? Judges give instructions that science isn't required in every case. Experts are vetted under standards like Dober for reliability. Labs move toward accreditation, blind proficiency tests, and separating examiners from case pressure. What should I watch for as a juror or viewer? Method, not mystique. Is the technique validated with published error rates? Context. Does the evidence fit the timeline and other facts? Limits. Did the witness state uncertainty or overclaim certainty? Process. Was there a documented chain of custody? The irony is the CSI effect can both free the guilty and punish the innocent. Over-expect proof, and you might ignore strong but non-lab evidence. Over-trust science, and you might miss its limits. So the fix isn't more drama. It's better literacy. Real science is slower, messier, and full of probabilities. It's also how we move closer to the truth. And that's a better ending than any quick zoom and enhance.